Hi guys, today we're gonna review the coffee maker Bonavita, and as you see, it comes with it's 8 cups coffee machine, and here it says 1 cup to equal 5 ounces and up to 1,300 milliliters. Okay, so this is glass, this is plastic. Um, and as you see, it comes with stainless steel finish even in the handle, and here it's just regular plastic. Okay, so it comes also with a manual. My manual. So this manual will show you how to use it, but you really don't need it because it's just on and off here. So when you turn it on, it basically turn off itself. It says auto off. I'm gonna show you how to use this coffee machine and also how fast it brew. You'll be surprised. So as I said, it comes with the manual. It also comes with this it's rinse for the coffee machine, this descaling powder. I don't think I'm going to be using it because when this gets messy, I'll just run vinegar and then I run the water twice. And also it comes with this cute cover for this. I'm going to show you. So when you brew your coffee and you already drink your coffee, and if there is some coffee left, you can just cover it with this, and you can put it in the refrigerator. It's very nice. I like that. Okay, and also it comes with this 4 coffee filters, and it says here that flavor enhancing. That means your coffee will taste better with this kind of filter. It has some feeling to it. Yeah, so that was very nice to receive also coffee filters from the Bonavita company. So this is what this coffee maker come with. It comes with this filters, with the cup, the cleanse, the manual, which is really funny because it shows you how to use the coffee machine just by pictures. It's very easy. This is plastic, as I said. This is glass. This is glass, and inside as you see it's plastic. Okay, this is plastic and this is glass. Okay, so as you see, I already filled my water here. I just want to show you how quick this coffee brew. It is so fast. And just to let you know, here is the max. You can't put more than the max. So the max, you see? Alright, so I'm gonna show you. Okay.